Paperlovers, welcome by my new YouTube video, and in this video I show you how I use my washi tapes. Okay, first we're going to punch some washi, and I have a cardstock, and with my washi I decorated with my washi, and when it is big enough for the punch that I use, then I punch a big heart out of it. This heart I will be used on my washi layout. A new technique is make a washi flowers. I punch a circle out of the cardstock of 1 inch, and then I folding the washi tape around the circle, so there is a washi flower. And in the middle, in the center of the washi flower, I use a bread. You can use your washi also with a paper clip, and that is for in your journal or your traveler's notebook. It's a great idea, and I think you can also use your stamps on it. You can stamp on your washi, and I use the word amazing, and I stamp on my washi, and so I can use this in my agenda or in my traveler's notebook. Another thing what you can do with your washi is making a pocket page card. You also can do this on your layout, I use different design washi tapes, and that's how I decorate my pocket page with it. And now my background with the washi is finished. I have some die cuts, and I place them on my pocket page card, and with a little bit of distress oxide make some splatters on it, and then your pocket page card is finished. It's a great way to use your washi as a background on your pocket page cards, or of course your layout. Another thing how you can use your washi tapes. I have a traveler's notebook here, and I want to change the how do you call it, the cover. Yes, you want to change your cover, so I use my washi tapes to change the cover, and then I decorate the traveler's notebook with embellishments. So now my traveler's notebook is decorated with all my washi, and I wanted the big golden hearts on the front of my traveler's notebook, and I used my golden washi tape and I punched out a big heart, and I decorate my traveler's notebook with it, and I also use a butterfly and a watch strip. And this is a fun way to personalize your traveler's notebook with your washi tapes and your die cuts. I think it's a fun way to do, and it looks nice. So now we go to another technique with the washi, and I show you how I make your own washi tapes. I'm using mixed media washi tape, and I decorated with my acrylic paints. I use acrylic paints from Dylusion and Acrylic Amsterdam. First I put some acrylic paint on the washi, and with a brush I spread it a little bit out. And you can use, of course, different colors, it's no problem. And when you're you cover your washi tape all over with the acrylic paints, you can dry it with your heat tool. And when the acrylic paint is dry, I use another color of acrylic paint and mix it with some water and make some splashes on my washi tape, and then I dry it again with my heat tool. And I also like to stamp with my acrylic paints on my washi tape, and I use a stamp. This is a rubber stamp, and I with my brush I paint a little bit on my rubber stamp, and then I stamp on my washi tape and dry it with my heat tool. So I was looking for my stamps because I want to stamp a little bit more on my washi tape, and I use the memento for stamping on my washi tape, and with this beautiful stamp set from Dylusion design, I stamp a little bit with a flower and some words on my washi tape. And this is the result. It's a fun way to make your own washi tape. And of course, if you are an art journaler and you do a lot of art journal, it's a great thing to do, I think, in your art journal to make your own washi tape. I splatter a little bit with my distress oxide, and then I decorate my page with the stamp and some flowers. I cut this background stamp out of my cardstock, and then I place it on my page, and I also do it with the flowers. And I like to paint my flowers, and I use my watercolor paint from Primo Marketing, and it's the set Tropicals. So, and now we're going to make rosettes from washi tape. I use cardstock, and the size of the strip is 25 centimeters by 2.5 centimeter. And the strip I decorate, of course, with my washi tape. And when I'm decorated with my washi tape, I use my scoring board, and every half a centimeter I make a score line. And then we're folding the strip, and then we glue it together at the end. You can also use your stapler, it's more effective, I think. For the center of the rosette, I also use a cardstock with washi tape and punch out a circle. And now we're going to make a rosette. I use a double-sided edge shave tape. I'm folding it, and I place it in the center, and with my double-sided edge shave tape I make the rosette. Okay, rosettes are a little bit hard to fold, so I use my tacky glue, and with a clothespin I keep it together, and when my glue is dry I have the perfect washi tape rosette. So now it's time to make a scrapbook layout with washi tape. I want to use as much washi as possible on my layout, so I have several cardstock strips, and with different washi tape designs I decorate the cardstock strips. I had already made my background, my mixed media background with distress oxide on my mixed media cardstock, and now it's time to decorate my scrapbook page with the washi cardstock strips, and also the washi heart and I think I want to use also my washi roses. Of course, I have a little bit die cuts from pink paisley from Fifth Monaco, but my challenge is to yeah, use as much washi as possible. So on the top and on the bottom from my layout, I also use washi tape. And here I use some word strips, but you can also use your washi tape as word strips too. If you have a typewrite machine, you can type the words on your washi, and then you can use your washi as word strips. So that's always also an option. Here I use the stamp set from Pink Paisley, also from the collection Fifth Monaco. It fits perfectly with the washi tapes. They are also from Fifth Monaco from Pink Paisley. And I use also a few words stamps from the Dayless stamp set. So for more color, I decided to put design paper from Pink Paisley behind my mixed media cardstock, and I choose 3 puffy hearts, also from the collection Fifth Monaco from Pink Paisley. And that's it. This is my layout with almost only washi I use for this layout. I hope you enjoy my video about my washi tutorial, and I hope to see you next time by my next video. Okay, bye bye.